Is it going yet? Okay, I think we're going now. Hi YouTube. How's it going? We're gonna do this one of these drink reviews because we ain't done this one of these drink reviews in a while. You know, people like to drink, so we're gonna do this one. Oh, there we go. We're gonna do this one of these drink reviews on this here a SMIRNOFF-ICE spiked screwdriver premium malt beverage. 8% alcohol by volume, 1 pint, 16 fluid ounces, bottled and brewed and bottled by the Smirnoff Co., Plainfield, Illinois. Flavored malt beverage. There really ain't too much to say here. Premium malt beverage with natural flavor, certified and caramel colors. So it says right there. Let's see what else we got. The same great flavor contains 2.1 servings. Flavored malt liquor, government warning. According to the Surgeon General, oh God, women should not drink alcoholic beverages during pregnancy because of risk of birth defects. Consumption of alcoholic beverages impairs your ability to drive a car or operate machinery and may cause health problems. Drink responsibly. DrinkIQ.com, FLOK plus, whatever that means. Florida Crazies Plus. Yep, got plenty of them. Oh, smells like oranges. Smells a bit orangey. See what she look like. Looks like cheap orange juice. Like the dollar store carton orange juice. Kind of a murky, pale yellow. Orangey yellow. Yeah, orangey yellow. Yeah, that's definitely a bit stronger than the other screwdriver I had, which has been so long ago I forget which one it was. Damn it, and I got the camera shaking too. Son of a bitch, what have I done? But it's so-so, it ain't that good. It's so-so. It's drinkable, but you can taste the alcohol. It tastes like Everclear. It does not taste like vodka. Well, maybe cheap bottom shelf vodka. Yeah, bottom shelf vodka. And like the cheapest fucking orange juice you can buy. Yeah, that's not the best one I've had. It'll get you drunk quicker, but you know, you gotta kind of sacrifice a little bit of taste for drunkenness. So it's always a trade-out. Do you want to drink more with less, or do you want to drink less with more, or something like that? You get what I'm saying. Out of 10, hold on. Out of 10, that's like a 5. It's like okay, but not that good. Not much carbonation either. As you can tell, it's flat. I believe it's non-carbonated. I don't taste carbonation. If it's got any in there, it's not very well carbonated. Very light carbonation. Very little. Yeah, I can already feel the alcohol burn off that, so that's gonna get you drunk. But you taste alcohol, so your choice. If you want to get drunk quick and you want something to kind of mask the cheap alcohol taste, cheap vodka taste, it tastes like Everclear. It really does. Probably is because it's cheap. You know, pure ethanol, mass production, all that deal. Yeah, five. It'll get you drunk, but it's nothing to brag about. It's not like saying, "Hey, bud, you better go buy one because they're so good." It's like, it's something to get drunk off of kind of drink. 5 out of 10. Uh, don't go out of your way to get one. If you want to get drunk and you don't mind cheap vodka taste with cheap orange juice taste, go for it. It was pretty cheap. I think it was under $2, at least down here in South Cackalack. So, eh, $2. You could do better for a few cents more, just to say. Happy drunken night, YouTube, or maybe happy. Don't know. Have a great one.